I have a passion for helping agents develop their careers. By being the Director of Agent Growth and Development, I can do that full-time. I was a kindergarten teacher for 13 years, and during that time, I have developed a love for education and watching people grow and develop into strong individuals. I got my real estate license in 2016, and I found success with that. And I realized that I wanted to combine my passion for education with real estate and helping agents grow their careers. My role with the Easy Referral Network begins with onboarding new agents to the team. Once they've been onboarded, we help them grow their careers through continuing education and training to help them be the most successful agents they can be. Continuing education is important for all agents, not just new agents. We want to make sure that the experienced agents are learning and growing their careers as well. I meet with all new agents when they join the team and start their onboarding process. That consists of orientation, and that consists of Lessonly, a platform we use to help educate the new agents and learn all of our systems. It's a pretty amazing process so that they are ready to get their career going as fast as possible. Our Lessonly that we use has amazing training topics such as writing contracts, listing paperwork, all the way through media and using that in listing presentations. I joined the Easy Referral Network for the culture that it provides. I needed the team support, and I could not be happier with my decision. It has really made a major impact on my life, not just professionally, but personally. I love working with everybody here. Everyone has been so helpful and wants to help us succeed. I love being part of the staff at the Easy Referral Network. Our goal is just to help make our agents our top priority, and being part of that is really special. At the end of the day, no matter what agent you work with here at the Easy Referral Network, you are going to have a properly trained professional agent working on your side.